I believe that Purdue's reputation in the engineering field greatly enhances the success of the Masters of Business and Technology program. It gives not only credibility, but I think a lot of expertise that a lot of other schools don't have access to. It's critical for business leaders to have a very deep understanding of emerging technologies, whether it's workflow, process, how to run things more efficiently, using software or data to make better decisions. I think it's really that intersection between, understanding what should happen from a business perspective, but also what's feasible from a technology perspective and a engineering perspective that really allows companies to perform exceptionally well. So right now I'm focused on the housing market, and I think it's absolutely critical that we figure out ways to innovate and bring solutions to market to address the affordability crisis that exists in the US. I've seen a significant use and leverage of technology, analytics in both risk management, portfolio management, from an investment perspective, in banking, as far as managing and distributing risk. There's also, I think, in the housing space, how people are underwritten, how you can quickly get an approval from a Fannie or Freddie on a mortgage, how you can actually price, a house correctly or really understand what is happening in a community. I mean, the acceleration of access to data and hopefully making better decisions and making housing more accessible to people, I think is absolutely critical. There are really interesting learnings that can kind of make a company a better company and a leader far more effective than making decisions based on gut instinct. If you want to compete and you want to really perform exceptionally, I think you have to innovate.